Welcome back to Wiring Products. On this episode, we are going to splice together two wires using a high temperature butt splice. These are 22 to 18 gauge, these are 16 to 14 gauge, and these are 12-10. These are high temperature butt splices. They can take up to 900 degrees. These are really good for around your motor and around your exhaust system. We are going to use the 16 to 14 gauge, so let me move the other two out of the way and grab these guys. First, we have to strip the wire. So, strip your wire. Put your wire into your terminal. Oh, this is going to be tricky. Get your crimper. You're going to crimp off center. Oh, voila. Put your wire in the other side. Stick it in there. Crimp without getting your skin in there. It's really important not to get your skin in there. Squeeze it, release, and there you go. Then you have your crimp. I am going to give this juice and flip my switch on. Here we go. Ta-da! The red light is on. And we splice the wire together. And that is how you use a high temperature butt splice. For information on this product and many others, come to wiringproducts.com.